the national anthem.
Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so help me God. That the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as a commissioner in the state, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. My ability to preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will abide by the code of conduct contained, or shall become known to me as Commissioner of the State, except as may be required.
Shika.
Let me first of all congratulate the newly sworn commissioners. Some of you, it's their first time of being a member of the State Executive Council. Majority of you have had experience before now. This is the last lap of our administration. We have only 7 months to end the tenure of this administration. And so it is very, very important for you to understand that you have to double efforts to make sure that what we have started, we will complete. And also to make sure that you start preparing your handover notes, not 9 minutes of a week. You already know. We must hand over the test 28. 29th is swearing in. So we'll fully hand over on the 28th and then do ceremony of the swearing in of the next governor on the 29th of May, 2023. So that project is taken back to Minister of Work, Judge Kelly. Take back that law school project, clean them, keep the place in order, because we'll start they start commissioning from November. So if you know you're not committed to serve the state, you better withdraw. Everybody sees position as where I will make money. But you don't have that satisfaction that, have I performed my job? Can I go home and be happy that I was given this responsibility? And to the glory of God, I've done my best. Okay. You don't have that at your back. All we're just thinking about, we have 7 months now, whatever I can grab. What can you grab? People have been chairman of councils for how many years? They come and they are poor. People have been commissioner for how many years? They come and they are poor. People have been governors for how many years? They come and they are poor. People have been ministers. So what can you grab as a commissioner? What do you think you can make that can keep you forever in your life? It's not possible. But you can be happy. While I was there, I was one who supervised this project. Yes, you are not the governor, but the governor cannot do it alone. Governor must have people who will give him support. But be proud that you are the one. As far as special projects concerned, you superintended it. You can go home and tell your children, it was when I was commissioner for special projects, we did this, we commissioned this, we did that. So once more, congratulations, and please, in the name of God, this is the last lap, which is the most important period in our tenure. The most important. When you are finishing, is the most important. Whatever you do from now to that time can even bring down all you have done. So you must be very careful. And when a political error